Greenhouse gases are a category of gases that absorb heat energy, resting like a blanket over our atmosphere for a long period of time. These gases cause severe climate change on Earth, causing weather changes, rising sea levels, droughts, heat waves, and more. Although CO2 is naturally occurring, the gas levels have risen dramatically since the 1800s. When did this really start? Well, just about the Industrial Revolution around the 1850s. The amount of gases in our atmosphere doesn't just affect us, but future generations as well. All living things are at risk because of climate change, because it disrupts the fragile balance that keeps everything alive and sustainable. What do we know? Meet Michael Gillenwater. Gillenwater is an executive director, dean of the institute, and co-founder of GHG. GHG is the Greenhouse Gas Management Institute. There's a large human impact. Since the Industrial Revolution, humans have significantly increased their gas emissions into our atmosphere. Carbon dioxide, which is responsible for nearly 80% of human emissions, comes from burning fossil fuels and deforestation. Meet Dr. Sandro Federici. Dr. Federici is the head of science at the IPCC, Intergovernmental Panel of Climate Change, specifically studying greenhouse gases on our planet. All of the greenhouse gases can remain in the Earth's atmosphere for different amounts of time. This can range from a few years to thousands. Now let's meet Francesca Hopkins. Hopkins is an assistant professor of climate change and sustainability at the Department of Environmental Sciences at UCR, which is the University of California, Riverside. Human health, agriculture, water resources, forests, wildlife, I could go on and on. They're vulnerable to climate change. This is even more devastating for people who live in rural areas. The Earth and its atmosphere is unable to keep up with the gases humans are releasing into the air. These gases can stay in our atmosphere for thousands of years, which makes it a problem that cannot be fixed overnight. All living things are at a risk. The rising temperatures are making our summers warmer, our winters colder, and our sea levels are rising. What can you do? Take care of your Earth. Be more self-conscious when making decisions and try to limit your carbon footprint. A little goes a long way, and we are stronger together. If we all work towards the same goal, we can keep the Earth happy and healthy for all of us and for future generations to come.